This idea, why we're here today, was born out of an idea, right? Born out of a need and a conversation. And now here we are with gorgeous women in a group, and I get to be on stage talking about it. It was born out of an idea. So the CLA member of 2022, Carolyn O'Neill, is that right? Okay. Brio Laundry Bellingham, my neighbor up there in Washington, she created an online university to teach employees how to do laundry. Because there's a process of doing laundry for her business that was very specific. By creating this online academy for her employees, that is an asset now that she can revalue if she decides to ever sell it. That is an added value proposition for her business, born out of a need and an opportunity and a gap. And going back many slides, the businesses are going to be changing their business model and their initiatives. 46% were going to adopt and adapt tech. So she adopted and adapted tech in her business by creating automation, rideshare opportunities, and digital loyalty cards, again, adding to her value proposition as a company. So tangible assets and processes that basically increase the valuation of her business and bring more value to the business and customers. To go on a bigger scale, how many of you ever used Tinder? Okay, yeah. All right, no shame in the Tinder game. I get it. So Whitney Wolfe Herd was the founder of Bumble. Have you guys heard of Bumble? So she actually worked for Tinder, and she went into the CEO office and said, hey, Tinder's kind of creepy for ladies. Maybe we should adapt this technology to create somewhere like women can make the first move. And he was like, oh, that's cute and ambitious. And then she was like, all right, well, screw this noise. I'm going to go out. And her company was founded where women make the first move. That is her idea. She's the first and only youngest woman to evaluate a $1 billion IPO to launch Bumble. And the idea was born out of where women make the first move. Simple, easy idea, right? And then she had the technology background to back that up, but simple idea, gaps, curiosity, opportunity. And again, you have simple ideas like where women can make the first move, can generate a $1 billion IPO. Dream Bigger Digital was born out of an idea where I wanted women to see their worth and their value differently in the world. It's all about the gaps, right? So start developing new ideas in your point of view. Get curious about the gaps in a process system or even industry. Develop those ideas. And get courageous about sharing those ideas.